In this problem, assuming I can pronounce this correctly, the centrifugal force at a point of a revolving body varies directly as the radius of the circle in which the point is revolving around. Now our steps are, first one is determine type, whether it's direct, inverse, joint, or a combo mix of the above. Let's read that again. Centrifugal force at a point of a revolving body varies directly, has the word direct in it, so it's a direct variation. You pretty well find one of the key words to help you figure out which variation it is. Typically, direct is of this form: y is equal to kx. Now step 2, we want to pick variables that make sense. Now as you read this, the varies is where equals goes. So the centrifugal force at a point of a revolving body varies. There's your equals. I don't know, F for force maybe? Varies directly as the radius of the circle in which a point is revolving around. R for radius. So F is our force, and R is our radius. Now step 3, you look for your one example. If the centrifugal force is 300 pounds, so they're telling us force is 300. When the radius is 6 inches, so they're telling us R is 6. Well, that's one example. Use it to find K. Well, we'll divide both sides by 6. And we're going to get K is equal to 50. Then we want to plug K into the formula. Now the formula I'm talking about is the one from step 2, so we'll plug it in right here. And we just said K was 50, so we got F is equal to 50R. Now step 4, there it is. Find what they really want. Well, it says at what radius is the force 525? So telling us force is 525. And they're wanting us to find the R. So on this one, we'll have to divide both sides by 50. And we'll get something. Let's see what that is. 525 divided by 50. Enter. And that gives us 10.5. So our radius is 10.5. Now I don't worry about units and measure when I'm showing this in college algebra. If you're in physics, so you definitely have to make sure everything matches up. You know, if you're dealing with force, you maybe want one of them to be, find a problem. You want one of them to be in pounds, and one problem may give you the radius in feet. Maybe you want to switch it to inches, or vice versa. So you have to make sure everything matches with what you're working with. But again, we're just trying to learn the concept of how to work a variation problem in college algebra.